Colors in English. Basic colors. Red, blue, green, black, white, yellow, brown, purple, orange, gray, pink. Secondary mixed colors. Light blue, dark blue, light green, dark green, beige, turquoise, gold, silver. Describing colors. In English, you can add words to describe shades. Light, light pink, dark, dark red, bright, bright yellow, pale, pale blue. Examples in sentences: the apple is red. The sky is blue. My shoes are black. She has a pink dress. The flag is red, white, and blue. Practice exercise. What color is the sun? Yellow. What color is the night sky? Black. What color is grass? Green.